Bring 'em out. It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth.
Coming live from the VIP, heard